Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom, with the course Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. Today's lesson is capture pages. Now, before you make the capture page, you have to make the list for where the emails need to go to. So I've chosen my own product, Facebook Leads Machine, and to create a new subscriber list, I'm just going to put Facebook Leads Machine 2. Facebook Leads Machine 2. And then how to get leads on Facebook. Like a ninja, because my little man is a ninja. So just keep pressing next, next, next. Okay. It's always got to be double opt-in now. You can make that single opt-out for the unsubscribe. There's quite a few things that you just have to keep pressing to get through to the end. Let me just explain this bit. You can add here a first name field, and you can create GDPR and stuff, but for the purpose of this one, we're keeping it simple. Save changes. Keep scrolling down, so you've just got to confirm everything. So there is this, confirm your subscription, yes. You can actually add a little bit in if you want. Pending subscribe, sometimes they give you a pending subscribe. And the unsubscribe one. So that's just automatically configured. You don't have to do anything. Now the welcome email, we're going to do later. So once these boxes are here, there's no more to click, so that bit's done. So let's go back in. So the list is set up. So the Pixel Perfect Builder is the done for you capture pages and done for you websites. So you double click on this one, and here's one I made earlier, because I used to watch Blue Peter when I was little. All you have to do is just change the words if you want to. So if you like this funnel, which I love this funnel, all you have to do is copy it and then just alter the links on it. So this is the one that I'm looking at today. This it's published there, so unless that's green, it's not published, so you can't share it. This is going to take less than 5 minutes. That's the wrong one. It's this one. This one, sorry. Right, this is the capture page. So become, oops-a-daisy. Get 50 leads with one Facebook post. Facebook Leads Machine. I'm just going to show you that you can Control A. You can make that slightly bigger or slightly smaller. You can bold it. You can italic it. Ooh, I quite like that. Okay, so you get the gist. That bit's done, because all you have to do is just type the words. Page 2 is called Almost There. So you click on it, configure, and then, so all you have to do is right click, configure, mailing boss, and then for the purpose of this one, you would, if you were doing it rather than me, you would click on the new list that you've just made, which is Facebook Leads Machine 2. But I've already made Facebook Leads Machine 1. So that's the next bit. And then change URL, you get your link for your sales page, which I've already done again. You just right click on that and edit it and add your URL in. So Shelley from Builderall, my name's Shelley from Builderall, says, don't let them unsubscribe, shh, make them buy it. Confirm. So that's it, guys, but don't forget to press save. Okay, save is your friend. Okay, press save and save and publish, both the same really. Then the next video I will show you how to add my best 4 emails that I've written, because you need to follow up. If you've seen a product once, you're not going to buy it, are you? If you see it twice, you think, oh, no. You've got to see it at least 4 times or 7 times before you buy it. So that's why you do some follow-up emails, because they might not have bought it first time and you just show the benefits. So I'll see you on the next video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one. Bye.